So, good afternoon po, sir. This is my presentation about plasma arc welding, POW, and electron beam welding, SMAW. And my group members is me, Villaflor Mark Andrew C. And John Paul Perez, Jesta John Ray, Joshua Arroyo, Villamor Jan Alex. What is POW? POW is widely used in modern welding, sir. And kalimitan siyang gagamit sa pag-welding kung gusto mong mapadali yung welding mo. Kasi hindi siya kailangan na kumbaga madali siyang gamitin. And high speed, superior weld quality, and consistent performance. Plasma arc welding, POW. Benefits using POW. Highlight key advantage such as increased productivity, reduced errors, and also plasma arc welding present clear and advantage over traditional welding process. Kumbaga ang benefit daw po kung bakit ginagamit ang POW is kumbaga madami po siyang advantage kasi sa ibang welding na katulad ng SMAW, kasi kumbaga mas highly kumbaga advanced na kung gagamitin siya. Tapos ito po yung diagram ng POW. And ito po yung direction of travel, gas nozzle, filler wire guide. Tapos ayan po yung iba't ibang parts ng plasma arc welding. Tapos types of POW: plasma arc welding, transferred POW, and non-transferred POW. Tapos, ito po yung mga importance ng paggamit ng POW. Enhanced precision, kumbaga hindi ka pasmado or precise kang mag-welding. Tapos, versatile material compatibility. Tapos, improve weld quality and efficiency. Tapos yan po yung conclusion. In summary, plasma arc welding POW provides enhanced precision, versatile material compatibility, and improved weld quality, making it a superior choice for critical application. Its advanced control and efficiency ensure high quality welds across a wide range of materials, solidifying its importance in modern industrial process. Tapos yun po yung video. Tapos benefits using electron beam welding. Electron beam welding is a fusion welding process where a high velocity beam of electrons, the kinetic energy of the electrons, transforms into heat. Benefits using electron beam welding. Electron beam welding performed in a vacuum environment which protects the weld from atmospheric contaminants. Kumbaga, pag nagwe-welding ka daw po gamit ang electron beam welding, kumbaga maiiwasan po natin yung mga ibang atmospheric na katulad ng alikabok or iba't ibang microorganism habang nag-welding. EBW uses localized heating and minimal heat input, which keep the surrounding material cool and reduces distortion. Ito po yung diagram niya. And then parts. Next. Types of EBW, thermal EBW, cold EBW, and resistance EBW. Important using EBW: high precision, vacuum environment, and versatility. Conclusion: electron beam welding EBW is a precise and versatile welding method known for high quality welds, minimal distortion, and ability to join diverse material. It's essential in industry requiring structural integrity and reliability. Yan po yung video. Yan. Okay na po.